Hi, Ellie and I are here today to show you how to get one complete library from all your digital photos, so it's all in one space. So I've been working on this photo project for a while. My name is Michelle. I'm from Photo Expressions in Port Coquitlam, and it's taking me a long time. So you want to see what's in my box? So I have gone through every closet, every drawer, every camera, every laptop, everything. All my digital photos are now all on a 4 terabyte hard drive. So you can do this too, but what you need to do is you need to gather everything into one space. So I gathered all the CDs that I had gotten photos put onto. Here's some other school ones. See, there's school photos. I gathered photos that I had taken onto USB sticks. Those are some we had taken in Banff. I got all my little SD cards. I had old hard drives. I had compact flash cards. I had some more studio photos that I had taken that I had permission to copy because they were taken in our studio. I had some more USB sticks. I have so many. I had so much digital stuff everywhere, and it was really stressing me out, and it puts a big weight on your shoulders when it's not all organized, right? And you don't know what it is. I didn't know if some of it, back when digital photography first started, I didn't really know what to do with them. People were kind of unsure where to back it up, how to do it. So I had it on multiple locations. So I had a lot of duplicates, triplicates. I even took photos off of old phones. What else is in here? Some more old hard drives, some more old phones. Like, I went through everything, and I took all the old cameras. I went through all our old cameras, and I got like CDs everywhere. I had these with all kinds of CDs in them. So you can see why this would stress you out, right? It stressed me out. So now I have all of this mess, including old laptops. I also went and got the photos off my old laptops. I have all of that onto here. Right, Ellie? Yes, she likes this. It's so much more manageable, so much easier. Now, I don't keep it just on here. I've gone through other steps that I'll talk about in other videos where I've deleted duplicates, I've saved my favorites, I've backed them up. You have to have more than one copy of this. This can't be your only thing because hard drives will crash. Cloud servers go out of business. Computers die, get stolen, internet goes out. You have to have it in more than one location. But having it all organized, backed up in multiple locations, it'll make you happy.